Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to play VR on Roblox Mobile. First of all, you need to go to the settings. In this example, I will show you how to do it on Android phone, but it's the same on iOS, guys, so you can follow me. When you go to the settings, you will see the search bar on the top. Click the search icon and type Roblox inside the search. Then you need to choose Roblox. You need to go to the permissions and you need to allow Roblox to use your camera and microphone. So you need to click camera and choose allow only while using the app. Then go to the microphone and do the same, guys. Tick allow only while using the app. Then you can go back. So we allowed the Roblox to use our camera and microphone while we are in Roblox app. So we can close this and open the Roblox on our mobile phone. Alright guys, now we need to log into our account. Click more on the bottom menu. Scroll down until you will see settings. Click it, then go to the privacy settings. Scroll down and in the camera input settings, you need to turn this on, guys, which is use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So you need to turn this on. So you need to enter your PIN, then click enable. And that's all, guys. Now we can play VR on our Roblox. Let's go back and let's find the VR game. You can go to the main page, click the search bar, search for Hangout VR, and you can start playing Hangout VR on your mobile phone. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.